Hey, what's up you guys? So I'm really excited about this unboxing. This is my daughter Avea. Say hi, Avea. Hi. All right guys, so this is a brand new award system that we're doing for the Freedom Breakthrough Affiliate Program. I know when I first started affiliate marketing, obviously I wanted to make money online, leave my job, but having awards is like so awesome because it's that next milestone, right? Like you want to hit that next milestone. Like for example, the ClickFunnels affiliate program, I want to hit that dream car, right? I want to hit that 100 cars. So I'm creating my own type of system of commissions that you guys can hit as Freedom Breakthrough affiliates. So this is the unboxing of the first tier in the Freedom Breakthrough affiliate program. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start. My daughter's just gonna be around here, guys. It's gonna be a fun time. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, Avea, look at this, baby. Check this out. It's a big one too. This thing's almost as big as me. All right, here we go. Let's see. Let's see. All right, look, Avea. Let's see. What is it? It's a box. Help me, Avea. Okay. Nothing yet. Packaged up pretty well. Now, so far we've had 2 people who hit this award already. So you guys will be seeing that on, TikTok, YouTube, everywhere. But I wanted to show you guys myself what these look like so you guys can shoot for the award.
A few moments later.
It's all right.
Don't put stuff in your mouth there.
Avea, my daughter is crazy, guys. All right, you guys ready? You guys ready for this? Let's do this. All right, Avea. Look. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Whoa, that's pretty cool, right? Check it out, guys. Bam, the Freedom Breakthrough Affiliate Program. This is gold affiliate status when you receive this award. So it basically says, congratulations for earning $10,000 in commission with the Freedom Breakthrough Affiliate Program. You guys can see that right there. Check it out. Bam. So guys, this is the first milestone of the program. Again, as entrepreneurs, we want to have those milestones, right? Obviously, the main goal is to make money, change lives, and hopefully one day quit our jobs, which was my main goal. But guys, this is just a milestone, and I hope that it will motivate you guys to build your business, but hit these milestones. So thank you guys so much for watching. Super excited to see you guys grow, and welcome to the Freedom Breakthrough Affiliate Program.